Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today we will start the chapter 6, coordination in the supply chain. So this is the introduction of the chapter 6, in which we will try to understand what is the coordination in the supply chain. Okay, so supply chain is the movement of material as they flow from their sources to end customer. Okay, so we can understand that what is the supply chain. Supply chain is the flow of the materials from supplier to the end customer. Okay, so supply chain include the purchasing, manufacturing, warehousing, transportation, customer service, demand planning, supply planning, and supply chain plan management. Okay, so these all attributes which are belong to the supply chain. Without these attributes, the supply chain cannot perform in right way. Okay, so these each and every attributes perform their individual activities which will flow the materials, goods, and services from the supplier to the customer. Okay. Now, supply planning and supply chain management. It is made of the people, activities, information resources involved and moving a product from the supplier to customer. Supply chain activities include the supply chain activities include designing may the product designing, how the product need to design. Okay, so this is very important part of the supply chain. After designing the process, next process come manufacturing. So as per designing, we need to manufacture the product, then procurement. Okay, so for the manufacturing process, you need to procure the goods from the supplier. Okay, now planning and forecasting. So you need to plan that how much unit how much unit need to be prepared and export, how much unit need to be manufactured. So for that you need to forecast that in monthly level this volume order need to be complete. Okay, so this planning and forecasting activity is also important. Now order fulfillment. So order fulfillment is the part where you need to fulfill the order of the customer. Whatever order you receiving from the customer, you need to fulfill this order. Okay, so this order need to fulfill help the distribution and channel of retailers. Okay, now coordination between the above mentions activity within the supply chain is the strategic response to challenge that arise from this dependency. Means that we need to understand these all activities and these all entities and we can say attributes perform their own functions in right way. Okay, so on that particularly the value will flow the sources and services from the supplier to the customer. Okay, and they perform finally the value and the goods and services to the desired level. So guys, in this session we have tried to understand the introduction of the chapter 6, coordination in the supply chain management. Okay, so we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.